All right, here you have a 1980 Trail 110, complete restoration, everything taken apart, put back together, professionally painted by Spectre Industries in Billings. You can see your neutral light indicator works. The blinkers do run off the battery, so you can see the indicator lights are working there, and same thing for your right side. The rubber grommets have all been replaced. New grips, original hardware everywhere on the bike, nuts and bolts, original lever. These are new mirrors, new grips. The side stand works. The center stand works. You have your spare gas tank, heavy duty aftermarket shocks, brand new chain, brand new sprocket. These tires are IRE. They are off a 2022 Honda Trail 125. New rubber, original, new rubber here, new rubber there. Repainted the muffler shields there. Matte black, Harley Davidson matte black, same as the back rack. Back brake, all original hardware, all works properly, nice and tight. You can see some dirt on the levers there. That's from me riding it over here about a mile from the shop. You can see a nice little patina on there, kind of looks cool, shined up. All the original hardware everywhere as much as possible. Front brake works like brand new. See that spring? That is because this spring right here is brand new. Brand new brake lever. Speedometer cable. Really nice and tight front brake. IRE tire on the front there, brand new, off 2022. This gap in here is proper. All the rest of my bikes are like that for whatever reason. This one doesn't go all the way up, and that one does, so it allows that to move. Don't know why. I'll probably fix that on the next one I do. New rubber here, the grips. This is OEM. I do want to take this off to show the fuel setup here. This petcock is, that was a little hot there, not OEM, but it screws on. The OE ones are riveted right here, so you can't fix them if those wear out. This is all OEM carburetor. Gasket there, gasket here, rubber grommet on the snorkel, rubber grommet on your side stand, foot pegs. This is rubber replaced. Your stock here, nice and tight, not too loose. All OEM decals. There's your gas tank, new cap, rubber, OEM seat cushion there, brand new Honda OEM seat. All the wiring proper in the back. Wanted to show the spare gas tank holder here. That is all OEM. That is original 40-year-old rubber that was saved and cleaned up as best as possible. Here is the spare gas tank. Has the original hose. See a bunch of dust in there that I didn't clean. That's all OEM. There it is back on the bike. You got your helmet holder decal, your red arrow, gas cap fits in there. It is. There's your wheel lock, matches your ignition lock. It is virtually impossible to get all the rust and dirt out of these gas tanks. We cleaned it up as best as we could, but there is rust inside the tank. I'll show a video of that in a second here. 2 inline fuel filters. That's what you're going to have to run on these bikes to keep them running. Those are the original filters from the new gas that we put in this on the first run starting it up. Those are probably about dirty because of the original surge. I offer to replace those for free to whoever buys this, or show them how to do it. View from the top there. It's hard to show the inside of the tank, but I'm trying to get the right angle here, not shadowing it, and you can see the rust on the inside of the tank there. That is why we're going to have to use those inline fuel filters.